Hello students, welcome in Aadharsheela Abacus Classes. So in this video, today we are going to learn counting 1 to 9 on Abacus tool. So here we will start. So here we have just done login tools.aadharsheela.in and here you have to do the login. So once you will do the login, so you will come to the option here, Abacus. So once I will click on the Abacus, so I will have the virtual Abacus tool. So in the previous video, we have already discussed that's our unit place and we start our calculation from here. So as we have already discussed in the previous video that the lower bead value is 1. If I will move one bead up, the value will be 1. And if I want to make it 2, so I can move one lower bead up. Same, I can make it 3. Same, I can make it 4. But here we have only 4 lower beads. If I will move upper bead down, so the value will be 5. Only one each upper bead value is 5. So once again, we will start. So here we are going to talk about the lower bead. The value of the lower bead is 1, and we also call it earth beads. So if I will just move this bead up, the answer will be 1. So here you can see this line. We also call this line answer bar. So here the value is 1. Now I want to make it 2, 3, and 4. So if we want to make it 5 position, so I'll make it down and I will just touch this bead to this answer bar. The value will be 5. Now, if I want to make it 6, so I can move one more bead up. So now the value will be 6, 5 and 1. So value is 6. So now again, I can move one more bead to make 7, 8, 9. So if I want to make it 0, again, I'll just put the beads on its places. Upper bead up, lower bead down. All right, so one more time, we are going to start the counting on Abacus tool. Here with numbers are not displaying, right? So here you cannot see the numbers. So now we will just start the counting by visualize the numbers. So here I'll make a position of 1, 2, 3, and 4. The value is 4. The beads which are touching to this line, we call it answer bar. So this is my answer. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I will take it away, so answer will be 0 here. Again, we will start one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's take it back. Now, if I will just move upper bead down, the value will be 5. So again, if I want to make 6, because 6 comes after 5, so here I'll just take it like this, 5 and 1, 6, 5 and 2, 7, 5 and 3, 8, and 5 and 4, 9. Again, if I want to make it 0, I can just put all beads back. So now my answer is 0. So let's do the recap, how to make 1 to 9 counting on Abacus tool. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take it back. To make 5, I will move upper bead down. Now 6, 7, 8, and 9. So thank you for joining. Bye-bye.